Kainat Baloch and welcome again to my YouTube channel where we will talk about the myth of multitasking in this video as always. Yeah, I have 2 tips that I'm to define in this video for making you all understand easily that what myth of multitasking is. And I will also give you one example so that you can understand this more and more. If you are doing multitasking, then you should stop it or you should reduce the percentage of doing multitasking, because while doing multitasking you can't focus on all the things. On December 11, 1998, NASA launched Mars Climate Orbiter to study the climate of Mars. Mars Climate Orbiter cost $125 million to build. On September 28, 1909, a spacecraft entered orbit with Mars. It was and then suddenly NASA lost contract. It was due to simple error. Engineers failed to convert English units into metric, and then the spacecraft got too close to Mars and then it was destroyed. Multitasking means doing more than one work at a time. It sounds good, but it doesn't work. We people cannot focus on multiple important things at the time. If you have two tasks, then multitasking is going to reduce your efficiency. And if you are also more likely to tire quickly, then you should switch tasks continuously. Stop multitasking. Now let me tell you which kind of tips are those that will make you more understand. So tip number 1 is eliminate distraction. Multiple tasking often happens because of constant interruption, notification, phone or something like this. Okay, try to keep these all works on the side and then focus on the work, the thing that you are doing at that point of time, right? Then your attention is going to be valuable. Then you will realize the value of your work or your struggle, what you have to do, because you can't do 2 works together, literally. As I already had given you example that NASA lost contract. Do you know why? Because of this, that engineers failed to convert English units from metric. So as it is, for example, I am studying 2 topics, 2 books. Here in this hand I have a bio book and here in this hand I have a chemistry book, and I want to study both ones. I want to get the knowledge of both books equally, but it's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. Neither, if I'm studying these both books, neither I will get the correct point of this book nor I will get the correct point of this book. Why? Because of studying together, because of multitasking. This is the multitasking. You can't do or you can't understand 2 or both works correctly. If you do this with the one work, for example, if you take the bio book and if you study it, you will know, you will get all the points that you are studying in bio. For example, stomata, what it is, what is the work of stomata, why it's present in the epidermis of leaves, this, that, you will understand it as all. But if you study chemistry, okay, in the chemistry you are studying acid base or salt or something like this is being studied by you. If you're studying this lonely, then you will understand it. But stomata and acid base salt could not be studied together. So try to keep it. If you are doing one work, then do not try to connect another work with it. Do not do this. It will separate your attention. It will be literally hard and arduous for you to understand the things. Okay, in this thing, lots of things are going to happen to you individually. For example, you will waste your time. Yeah, if you do 2 works together and you are not getting benefits, so it means wastage of time. Like in this way, you will waste your time. In this way, you will be confused. You will have to be confused because you are starting multitasking, right? And after that, you will be saying that what is happening to me, what I'm doing, or something like this would be said by you. So that's why stop multitasking. Number 2nd tip is this, that measure the result. See now, one day learn two subjects together. Another day learn just one subject. For example, today is a Monday. For example, today you have to, because of measuring the result of single work and 2 works, you have to study 2 books today. Second day, you study just 1 book, and after that, after these 2 days, on third day, measure the result. Whatever you have studied in first day while studying 2 subjects, what kind of benefits or result you have got from there, and then you come to another work that was single on another day, then measure the result of that single work. You people are going to realize from this experiment. Try to do this. That's why I'm saying you that single work is a best work, because in a single work we will understand every point correctly. In a single work we will not be confused. In a single work we are not going to waste our time. So that's why start doing simple and a single work. Hope that you have got whatever I tried to say to you all. My message was to you all, that stop multitasking. It is just like making you upset, and it's making you worried about the things more and more, individually of course. So it was our today's video. Hope it was informative and people have liked it. If it was informative for you all, then don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thanks.